See, I told you Nick's fast. Oh! Come back over here. Damn.
He just has that one right hand.
I can't see anything. I just see people swinging. It's tough to tell who's who in this video. We calling it? Oh shit. Oh.
It's tiring, huh? Oh, there we go. I'm getting pumped myself.
Can you see our shit over there, Nick? I see it, never mind.
You got my nose, guy. You got me a little bloody nose. Here you go for the nose.
Looks like you got a little blood right here, Nick. I can't tell if it's...
Yo, let's go. Give me some gloves.